Stop recording. Start video.
Started.
Stop it.
Recording.
Draw this back.
Okay. Do it. You got it. You got it.
That was the worst. Wait, are you recording me? That was the worst.
Do it one more time.
Okay. Dad, will you draw? Will you do it this
Here,
time?
take me doing it. It's still recording.
Didn't kill me. How picture science? Nothing.
Okay, ready?
Yes. Yeah. That was literally still the worst shot.
That
My
was pretty
turn
fun.
now.
Okay. No, do not throw the phone. Especially near. That could have broken.
I need help drawing the bow back.
You got it.
Will you help me, though?
Oh, you got it perfect. Oh, not at people. No, not at. Oh, why did I get in front of it? Good.
Is that pretty good?
Yeah.
When you got closer and closer to the voice. Miley. And Miley got closer and closer until she was home. And her family said, "How did you get a golden sword strapped on your back?" Hey, you showed me making a video of this. Cancel. Miley and the Enchanted sword. Once upon a time, there's a dog named Miley. And she saw a tree. Miley walked towards the tree. The tree disappeared. There's another tree with something under it. Miley walked towards the tree. Under it was a popsicle. Miley ate the popsicle. And then there's a sandstone. Then there was a hole in the ground. And it was a golden sword. I said, "What can I do with this? I just want more popsicle." Then she walked around it then. So she strapped the golden sword on her back and then walked around the desert. Then soon she heard Miley. Miley heard the voice. Miley got closer and closer until she was home. And her family said, "How did you get a golden sword on your back?" The end. Miley and the Enchanted sword. Hello. Ha 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 ha. Ha.
Sign. Stop.
So it sounded right. I forgot. I'm not going to say that. Well, here we are. This a random video. This should go in the new website called Random Video. This is a random video of us walking and walking around a house. So look out for stuff. Very important to look out for. My dog poos over here sometimes. Miley, the ferocious dog. Actually, wait, this is not a random video. It could be a story time video. So, this is a story of a story. This is a video of a story I made. It's called Miley and the Enchanted Sword. First time I got sawn in this video today. Yeah. Ah. By the way, I'm back. I like to eat these. Oh no. Go valves away. So tell the story right now. Once there was a dog named Miley. And once upon a time, Miley and the Enchanted Miley and the Enchanted Sword. Once upon a time, there was a dog named Miley, and I better do this fast. Once upon a time, there was a dog named Miley, and she saw a sweet tree. So Miley walked towards the tree. The tree disappeared. But Miley saw another tree with something under it. Miley walked towards that tree. Under that tree was a popsicle. So Miley ate the popsicle. Then there was a sandstorm. Then it opened up a hole in the ground. In the hole was a golden sword. And sorry, my dad's phone ran out of space. So I'm going to tell the story over again. Miley and the Enchanted Golden Sword. No. Miley and the Enchanted Sword. Now I'm on my iPad, by the way. Miley and the Enchanted Sword. Once upon a time, there was a dog named Miley. I don't have to do it so fast now. Once upon a time, there was a dog named Miley. And she saw a tree. Then Miley walked towards the tree. The tree disappeared. Then there was another tree. Miley walked towards that tree, and something was under that tree. Under it was a popsicle. So Miley ate the popsicle. And then there was a sandstorm. And then it opened up a hole in the ground. And then it opened up a hole in the ground. Upside down. And it opened up a hole in the ground. And in the hole was a golden sword. And Miley said, "What can I do with this? I just want more popsicle." So Miley strapped the golden sword on her back. And then Miley walked around the desert. Then she soon heard, "Miley! Miley!" And Miley heard the voice, "Miley! Miley!" As they dumped the water out. Actually, no, I'm not dumping that water. And that's not actually part of this story. Sorry. And wait, what was that? Going back to the golden sword. Miley, in the hole was a golden sword. So Miley said, "What can I do with this? I've saw more popsicle." Yeah. And Miley walked around the desert. And then Soon Miley heard Miley. Miley recognized the voice. Miley. So Miley walked and walked closer and closer. Miley, Miley. And she got closer and closer until she was, oh, ouch, ouch, I pricked my foot. And then her family said, how did you get a golden sword strapped on your back? The end. Actually, I don't have to say the end. Oops. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Anyway, that is episode 1 of Story Time. Goodbye. Wait, I have an idea. I have an idea. Cha-cha-cha. Ring, ring, ring. Goodbye. No, goodbye. For we, yo. I have to see if they actually saw me. Anyway, zoom. Hey, but can I? All the way in. For to see something very up close. I was just making sure it was still. Actually, I'm good to zoom this out. Zoom out. Zoom out. Out. No. Out. For we, yeah. Funny thing. Oh no. Ah, turn on the funny thing I have on video. This is what I was using last time. My friends, more than that and bigger. But goodbye. As we look for real. As we look at this. And the taekwondo shirt. Don't forget about this. That phone. We need to give this to Dad to put the video on YouTube and make the placeholder for it and put it together on iMovie. Dad. Sorry, I came in the middle of your podcast. I'm making a new video called Story Time.
Okay, story time. We're still actually planning. We hadn't started the real thing yet.
Yay!
Okay, hi for the video that you're doing.
That's already ended.
Oh. Okay, well.
Well, it says you though, but it didn't quite end.
Okay.
I'm stopping it. 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Broken foot.
3, 2, 1.
Alex's broken foot. I broke my foot. I broke my foot. So how I foot. It is like this. Ha, ha. Why do you have to brightness already down?
It's your shadow.
Ah! Oh! My foot, it's so broken. You know, Mommy tied this for me. Actually, wait. Mommy did that. This don't